हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल अनिधा क्रिएशन। तो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है वर्क एंड टाइम। सो वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर द एमजीएनएफ एग्जाम एंड विद अ न्यू intention or new target, new aim of 100% selection. Okay guys, so coming to the topic straight away. 4 men and 6 women can do some work in 12 days. Okay, the focus here is or. Okay, you have to focus on the word or. 4 men or 6 women can do some work in 12 days. In how many days will 4 men and 12 women do the same work? So in such question guys, first you have to understand how much one man can do in one day. So if 4 men can do a work in 12 days, so one man can do 1 by 12 into 4. So one man can do this much work in one day. Simultaneously 6 women. So 6 women can do a work in again 12 days. So one woman can do 1 by 6 into 12 work in one day. Now the question is, how many days will 4 men and 12 women do the same work? So we have to find out. One man can do 1 by 12 into 4, and in our question it is 4 men, so multiplying by 4 plus 1 by 6 into 12 into, we required 12 women, so we have 12 women, so this is equal to how much? So 4 gone, 12 gone, so we have 1 by 12 by 1 by 6, so the LCM will be definitely 12, and this will be equal to 1 plus 6 to the 12, so 2, 3 by 12, so 3 1 is 3, 3 4 is 12, which is equal to 1 by 4. So what is this? This is actually work done by 4 men and 12 women in one day. So the answer will be 4 days. The same work can be done by them in 4 days. So this, the reciprocal of this is the answer 4 days. So option C is 4. Now going to the next question guys. If 12 men can do a piece of work in 24 days, so 12 men can do in 24 days. So one man can do 1 by 12 into 24 in one day. This much work one man can do. This you have to understand. Okay, if 12 men can do a work in 12 days, so one man can do 1 by 12 into 24 work in a day. Then in how many days 18 men can do the same work? So simply you have to multiply by 18. This you will get the answer. 2 9 is 18 and 2 6 is 12. Then 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9. Okay, 3 1 is 3, 3 8 is 24, which is equal to 1 by 16. So what is 1 by 16? 1 by 16 is actually work done by 18 men in one day. So the same work can be finished by them is the reciprocal of this, that is 16 days. So we have option number D, 16. Okay guys. So the next question, this is very important question and confusing also. So if you know the concept, then it is simple for you. One pipe can fill a tank in 40 minutes. So how much is he is filling in 1 minute? So definitely 1 by 40. Another pipe can empty it in 60 minutes. So see, a tank has two pipes. One is filling and one is emptying it. So the filling tank speed is 1 by 40 in 1 minute, and another pipe can empty. So if it is empty, if the water is coming out from it, so we have to minus it. So how much it is getting emptied in 1 minute? That is 1 by 60. Okay. If both the pipes are opened at the same time, then how much time it will take to fill the tank? So is nothing, is just the solution of this one, because we are getting filled this much and this much is getting empty. So by filled we minus the empty, we get the answer. So in this way our LCM will be 120. 40 into 3, that will be 3 minus 1. So 1 by 120, this much work is done in 1 minute. Okay, this much is filled in 1 minute. So 120 minute, reciprocal of this will be the answer, or will be the time taken to fill the tank. So we have option number D, 120 minutes. See. So guys, we have to solve the questions in just single lines in such simple and easy equations to save the time. Now this is again a very important question. Ramesh can finish a job in 20 days. Okay, so work done by Ramesh in 1 day is equal to 1 by 20. Suresh in 25 days. So work done by Suresh in 1 day is equal to 1 by 25. Fine? Clear? They start working together, but after 5 days, Suresh leaves. In how many more days Ramesh can alone finish the work? So it's a very interesting question. So what happened? These two guys, Ramesh and Suresh, started working together and they worked together for 5 days. So now you have to find out how much they have worked in 5 days. So this into 5 and this into 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. Here 5 ones are 5, 5 4s are 20. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 is equal to, I can say LCM will be 20, and here 5 plus 4 9. So this much work they have done in 5 days together. So how much work is pending now? So we have to minus this by 1 because there is one work. So 1 minus 90 by 20 is equal to 11 by 20. So 11 by 20 work is pending now. So 11 by 20 work has to be done by whom? To be done by Ramesh. So work done by Ramesh in 1 day is 1 by 20. So you have to divide it by 1 by 20 to find out how much days required by Ramesh to fill or to complete this 11 by 20 work. In this case 20 gone and answer will be 11 days. Guys, I hope this is clear to you. Since nothing, we have found out the work done by Ramesh in 1 day, then work done by Suresh in 1 day. We have multiplied their work with 5 and 5 because they have worked together for 5 days. So we got 9 by 20. So 9 by 20 of one work is done in 5 days. Balance work is 1 minus 9 by 20, which is equal to 11 by 20. So 11 by 20 balance work is done by Ramesh in how many days? So work done by Ramesh in 1 day is 1 by 20. We divide that, 20 gone, 11 days is required to complete the balance work. So these were the 4 very important questions from the topic work and time. Okay guys, so ये वीडियो यहीं पे खत्म करते हैं. Okay, what else I was also thinking कि हम पर्सनल इंटरव्यू के लिए भी प्रिपरेशन करेंगे. उसके लिए I will keep you posted with some different videos and different ideas I have. So okay, stay connected, stay tuned, stay updated. Thanks for watching. Bye.